Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. If you did not see my silicone hand, well, I did a haul and I included my new silicone hand in it. If you did not see it, I will make sure that I will link it down below. So I have been waiting for this package for a few days now. It said it was 2 days shipping and it took far longer than 2 days. I mean, maybe it took 2 more extra days, but it finally got here. It just got here today and I'm really excited to open and show you what it is. Okay, so I'm going to struggle for a second to open this package. But I will get it open. Ta-da! I'm so excited for this drill. Not only because it's a new drill, but because I needed one. My other drill that I've had for many years was great, and I'll probably still keep it until it, maybe dies out. But this drill was an affordable drill. You guys know that I am so down to look for affordable deals. I'm also down to show you guys and share where I got these affordable deals from. Hopefully, if you are looking into affordable items on Amazon, I love to look for items on Amazon or really anywhere, but specifically Amazon. I love Amazon. I'm an Amazon girl. So anytime I find something, I definitely will share it with you guys. I am so not that type that I find something and then I keep it to myself and I don't want to share it with others. And no, I want you guys to get in on the deals that I find as well. So I will always make sure that I will link all the things down below. So just make sure that you check the description box. I did make a little error the last video, but I did correct it. I put in the wrong link, but I made sure that I did correct it and it is fixed now, just in case anybody was wondering. So the information, the link to where I got this drill from will be in the description below. So make sure you check that out. This is the manual that the drill comes with. I absolutely love the color of this drill. I am going to read a couple of things off of my other phone about the drill, just in case you are wondering. First off, this is a rechargeable nail drill. This drill was $43.99. Did I pay $43.99? I think it was $42 when I bought it. It was $42. No, excuse me. It was $43.99 and I paid $42.06 because there was a 20% off coupon, which is not much, but it was something. Every coin saved really just matters, You want to save those coins. So if I can save some money, even if it's $1, I am down to save that. So this drill comes with a USB cord. It does not come with the port that most chargers come with. So hopefully you have one. If not, this kit or file does not come with a port at all. So this is a rechargeable 35,000 RPM nail drill. It is portable. It is cordless, although there is a little bit of cord from the hand piece to the actual, help me, help. So there is a little bit of a cord that is attached to the hand piece, right, that you plug into this part that I have right here in my hand. I love the color. It is so lightweight. It's probably actually I think it's smaller than my hand. In a second I'm going to show you comparison to my phone. It's way smaller than my phone. I love the color so much. It does come with some nail nail drill. I should have just said drill bits. It does come with some drill bits. They look like to me like they're polishing drill bits. Then the standard drill bits that most every EFILE comes with. This is where you are going to plug in the power cord. I love the clip on the back. That is a play, pause, power, and you can go forward or reverse, and then that's the dial on how you set the actual speed. And I love it because it has an LCD display. Beautiful EFILE. I absolutely love it, and I love how lightweight and compact it is. This right here is the handpiece, and again, very lightweight. I love it because it is small. Love the color. It's just a beautiful piece of machinery. I love it. You know, I love a good hand file, but an e-file is so important, I think, to have, especially when you are trying to debulk nails, remove gel, acrylic, things like that. I think an e-file, specifically getting around your cuticle work, I think that's really, really important. I needed a new drill e-file, guys. I can't tell you for how long I've needed one for. Like I said, my e-file was acting a little funny not too long ago. There is a lock and an unlock there, but we will do a whole new video on using the actual drill. I'm not going to do it in this video. And just because I don't want this video to take too long, we'll do a whole new video with me using the actual nail drill. So if that's something that you'd like to see, please stay tuned because I will do a whole new video using the actual drill. Please excuse my broken nail, but maybe we will do a video removing this set of nails. Maybe I'll try to soak off and use my new drill at the same time in the same video. Maybe we'll plan for that. I will try. I'm now going to assemble this little clear holder for the drill. It's for the hand piece, and I'll show you in just a moment how it actually works. It's easy enough. You just take it, it fits right in, and you just push it down and it clicks a little bit, and that's all you have to do. And that's it. I kind of do wish that that clear part was facing the other way. For some reason, I'd like to put the e-file in that way instead of, I don't know, facing it down this way. For some reason, I just prefer it the other way. But that is how this piece works. I'm going to try to see, hey, can I flip it around? Nope, I can't. So that's the only way that you could put this clear part in there, and that's okay. That's all right. Like I said, I just prefer it the other way. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Okay, so FYI, the cord that it comes with is not that long. I do have to say that. Now, I don't know. It looks like a regular USB to me. So I might try to find maybe a pink cord or something that's longer. It looks like a normal USB to me. So I think any normal USB would work with this e-file. Now, this is how much slack I have. I don't have much room. So sorry for the angle, guys. I need to get another, what are those things called? Extension cord? Is that what I'm trying to think of? I think so. So I need to find another one of those. I love how it was almost fully charged. I'm just going to go ahead and I guess charge it the rest of the way. And you'll see that at the end of the video. I love this color. I can't get over the beautiful color. I chose this color. I think there was a few colors. Let me see. Nope, just kidding. There is just this color here, this rose gold color. I do like the fact I did turn it on. You're probably not going to hear it in the video, but I did turn it on, and it is not a loud drill. Most drills are very, very loud. It has a very low vibration. It says on the website that it is low heat, so it doesn't heat up much. I think my favorite part is that you can clip it to your self if you needed to walk around with it. I do love it again because it is small enough to carry with you, to travel with it if you needed to take it with you. That's really awesome. My other drill is kind of big and bulky, but it's really, really old. I don't know, maybe 6, 7, 8, maybe more years old. And so yeah, so I was due for another drill. Like I said before, my drill was acting up not too long ago. And I don't know if that was just the drill telling me, hey, it's time to replace me. I don't know if it was the drill just got hot. I'm not sure what it was. This is just some extra information for you to read. I absolutely love this drill. Again, I'm going to leave all of the information to the drill down in the description box below in case you are interested in this drill yourself. It says here on the Amazon site that it does have a long-lasting battery life, and it only requires 2 hours to get it fully charged and is capable of operating for more than 10 hours on one charge. So, of course, I'll do a whole new video of kind of like a more of an in-depth tutorial on how to use the actual drill, but it does say that you have to turn the lock clockwise to unlock until you hear a click. Then you have to take out the drill bit, insert the bit, and then twist it
counterclockwise.
Twist it anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, or maybe just clockwise. It says anti-clockwise. I think it's just clockwise to lock, and then it says it's ready to use. So that's what it says here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really do. Make sure that you check the description link below if you are interested. I appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you so much. Hit the thumbs up if you'd like. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you love this drill, and I hope you go and get it or check it out at least yourself if you're looking for something affordable. If you don't have the money for a $300-400 drill, I think that this drill is great and really affordable. Like I said, I will be sure to do a full tutorial review on this EFILE and a different video, so be sure to stay tuned for that.
I actually really like that play pause button, because if you were to kind of bump the EFILE by mistake, it won't allow it to turn on by mistake and run on its own. So I really like that feature.
I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel, always supporting, showing love. I appreciate all of the comments that you guys leave. Thank you so very much.
I will most likely maybe do a little video tutorial with the file, maybe removing a little bit of this nail here. Thank you guys for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.